In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up international shipping rates in Shopify. To begin, log into your Shopify admin panel. This is where you manage your store settings, products, orders, and shipping options. Once you are signed in, look to the lower left side of the admin dashboard and click on Settings, which is marked with the gear icon. Inside Settings, select Shipping and Delivery. This section is where Shopify lets you control how shipping works for different products, locations, and customer regions. When the shipping and delivery page opens, go to the shipping section. Here you will see your available shipping profiles. In most stores, the main profile is called the general profile, and that is usually the one you will want to edit if you are setting up standard international shipping. Click on the shipping profile you want to update. After that, scroll down until you reach the shipping zones area. Shipping zones are used to group countries or regions together, so you can apply the right shipping setup to those destinations. This helps keep your international shipping organized and makes it easier to manage rates based on where customers are ordering from. In the Shipping Zones section, click Create Zone. Shopify will then ask you to name the new zone. Enter a clear and simple zone name that matches the destinations you plan to include. For example, you might use a name like International if you want one broad zone, or Europe if you want to create a more specific regional group. Choosing a descriptive name will help you stay organized later, especially if you add more zones over time. Next, use the search bar to find and select the countries or regions you want to include in the shipping zone. As you type, Shopify will show matching locations that you can add. Take your time here and make sure you are selecting the correct destinations, since this zone will determine where these shipping settings apply. Once you have chosen all the countries or regions you want in that zone, click Done to save your selection. At this point, your international shipping zone has been created inside the shipping profile you selected. This gives you the structure needed to organize shipping for customers outside your main market and prepares your store for region-based shipping setup. That covers everything you need to know.